Hi friends, welcome to Fight for Tech. I'm thrilled to announce my brand new Java playlist, Master Java Complete Guide for Beginners to Advanced. If you are looking to learn Java from scratch or refine your advanced skills, you are in the right place. In this playlist, I have carefully designed the content to guide you through every key concept of Java programming. Let me give you a quick overview of what you will learn. First, I want to go with the chapter Fundamentals in Java. In that, I'll go with identifiers in Java, data types, literals, arrays, types of variables, var, methods, main method. We'll discuss in detail about these in my upcoming videos with examples. And second chapter, operators and assignments. The subtopics in this chapter I will reveal later. So whenever I'm starting this chapter, I will discuss about subtopics. And our third chapter is declarations and access modifiers. And then object-oriented programming, OOPS, exception handlings, multi-threading, inner classes, Java lang package, file input-output, serialization and deserialization, regular expressions, collections, generics, garbage collection, JVM architecture, enumerations, internationalization, accessions. We'll discuss in detail about all these chapters in my further videos. So stay tuned with my channel. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.